So what you're saying too is when you do have high insulin levels, the insulin levels that get into your brain are toxic to your brain.
I wouldn't say that. I think it's more that we need insulin to get the glucose into the neuron. It's required to have insulin. So if your brain is insulin resistant, you can still have a lot of insulin around, but your brain cells are not responding to that insulin. There's resistance to the signal, essentially. And so we can't get the glucose into the cells for use as fuel. And so this is one of the main mechanisms for Alzheimer's disease, but it's also, we think, a huge mechanism for all the mental health disorders, this sort of a lack of brain energy due to that cerebral glucose hypometabolism is the term, but it's really the brain insulin resistance is the cause of that.
So it's kind of like for the listeners, you have insulin that's there. Like you have all these doors in your brain that are locked, and insulin is the key to open the door so you can get your energy source into the cell. You've got all these doors that are locked and you have keys, but you don't have the right keys or you don't have enough keys, right? Or they're just not working, like they're not fitting into the lock. Because when we develop insulin resistance, we know that those cells upregulate their insulin receptors. They need more insulin, they need different types of insulin. And so that's the problem.